Good morning children. Today we are going to see the subtraction word problems. The first one, example 1. Let's see now. So it's from your book only I am giving. So the question is, there are 98,696 books in a library. In that 10,850 books are borrowed, already given to the students. How many books are left? So here the word left, this is the keyword for addition. So remember the word left, this is the keyword for, it is a keyword for subtraction. So if you see the word left in the last, the question will be asked in the word problems, always there will be a question. So in that, if this word comes leftwards, then you have to do the subtraction. Even if you don't understand the story of this problem, what is here, if you don't understand also, if you see this word directly, you will know you have to do the subtraction. So as I have told you, in subtraction, in word problems, whenever you do, the important thing is you have to write the statement. You will write first, you will write the statement, then you have to arrange the digits in order. Some of them I have seen, they don't write the digits in order and just they do the calculation. So just they write the answer, no? So arrange the digits in order, then you will do the calculation, or the equal sign should be in the same place. Let's do the statement first. Okay, now see, I have written the statement. In a library, total number of books is 98,696. Number of books borrowed, the number of books borrowed are 10,850. So now we have to find the number of books left. So number of books left equal to, see here, the equal sign is same in order. The statement you can start anywhere. It is not necessary that you have to start here, near from the margin. If you start from the margin also, here you can, if it is ending anywhere, one statement is ending here, another statement is ending here, but you see that this equal sign is in the same order. Then the digits also in order. You have to see that. Some of them I have seen like this, no, anyway they write in, there is no order at all. So this is where you will arrange the digits in order in its place, ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. You will keep it in order, then you will do the subtraction. So this one, since you have to find the left one, you have to do the minus, isn't it? So I am writing minus. I am writing here minus. So let's minus now. So now here 6 and 0 is there. 6 minus 0, it will be 6 only. Again, next we have 9 and 5. 9 minus 5, it will be 4. 9 minus 5, 4. Next we have 6 minus 8. 6 is small, 8 is big. So you cannot minus a small number from the big number. So you will borrow from this 8. So from this 8, if you borrow 1, so if you borrow 1, how many will remain? Here 7 will remain. Here 7 will remain, and that 1, if it comes here, it will be now 16. Okay, now 16, this 16 minus 8. If you minus, you will get 8. So here 8, and now we have here 7 and here 0. So 7 minus 0, 7 only. And here we have here 9 and 1. 9 minus 1, it is 8. So the number of books left are 87,646. Last you have to take and write the answer also. Okay, last you have to take and write the answer like this. 87,846 books are left in the library. This is the way you will complete the answer. Okay, write the statement, arrange the digits in order, and you do the calculation. What you are supposed to do, you do. Then you take and write the answer. Now let's see the example 2. A shopkeeper bought 25 fans for rupees 26,400 and sold them for rupees 30,000. How much did he earn? Okay, here how much did he earn? More than this, the main word I can say here to the keyword to find the subtraction problem is, you see here, bought and sold. This both the words, this is bought means buy, sold means sell. So buy and sell both are opposite words, like good and bad, no, opposite words. Same way, bought and sold both are opposite words. If this words comes, opposite words comes, means surely this problem is a subtraction. Okay, so I am underlining and giving, listen here, this bought and sold both are opposite words. Remember, they are opposite words. So if it is opposite words, then you have to do the subtraction, bought and sold. Okay, so this is a keyword here, bought, sold. These both are opposite words, so you will do the subtraction. So let's write the statement for this problem. Okay, see here, when you write the statement, you have to see it is a subtraction you have found, isn't it? So when you find it is a subtraction, then you have to write the bigger number first. So bigger number here, which is the bigger number here, 30,000 is the bigger number. So this statement only you will write first. Okay, 26,400 is a smaller number. So whenever you are writing subtraction, you see that you are writing the bigger number first. So here 30,000 is the what? The sold price. Now how much he sold, and 26,400 is the price he bought it. Okay, so you will write the selling price only first, then you will write the how much price he bought that. So I have written here bought the, okay, sold price I am writing first, then I am writing the bought price. I have written the statement and the equal sign are same in order. Now I will arrange the digits in order. Okay, now I have arranged the digits in order. So this is rupees, so you have to write that rupee symbol also here. So let's minus now. Here 0 and 0 you have. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. Next we have again 0 minus 0. So it will be also 0. Then next digit, now if you see here, you have here 0, here 4. 0 is small and 4 is big, you cannot subtract, so you have to borrow, but here also 0 is there, so you will borrow from this 3. So from there if you give 1, from 3 if you give 1, so here it will be 2 will remain, that 1 will come here and this 0 will become now 10. So from this 10 only you can give there. So this 10 if you give 1, 9 will remain, that 1 will come here and this will be 10. Now 10 minus 4. So this one if you minus 10 minus 4 you will get 6. Again we have here 9 and here 6. 9 minus 6 it will be 3. And here 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 it is 0 only. So you need not write anything. So the answer is 3,600. So he earns 3,600. Last, we have to take and write the answer. The shopkeeper earns rupees 3,600. The shopkeeper earns rupees 3,600. So this much you have to complete the answer.